we got this situation. Suppose determinant of this thing equals 0. Hold some positive integer n. So you have to find out positive integer n, and then you have to manipulate this person. Okay, so look at this, how we will respond. So the idea is, how we will tackle this problem is, first look at this. I will write down the determinants first. So I'll assume this element. Okay, so it is summation k starts from 0 to n. It is k. So this is first element. I'll call this element as a. Okay, then we have second element. K starts from 0 to n c k square. I will call this element as b. Okay, now the next element is summation. So it is summation k starts from 0 to n c k and then k. I will call this element as c. Okay, and then we have the last component as summation k starts from 0 to n c k 3 power k equals d. I will call this element as d. Okay, so first we have to find out ABCD, and then we have to find out the determinant so that we can equate it with 0. Okay, and then we will get value of n. Okay, so you know that whatever may be the question is, we will try to rely on 1 plus x power n. So let's expand. So nc0, nc1x, nc2 x square, nc3 x cube, nc4 x4, nc5 x power 5 dot dot dot. Correct? Now look at this. First, try to keep your eyes on this part. Whatever may be the power of, whatever may be the lower subscript of c is, the 3 is taking same power. Correct? So nc0 3 power 0, nc1 3 power 1, nc2 3 power 2, and don't you think in place of x these guys are using 3. So can I replace x with 3 to get the value of d? Just tell me. Put x equals to 3. So don't you think that a will be equal to 3 plus 1 4, 4 power n? Just tell me, this is right or wrong? Correct? Yes. Now be focused on this a. So who is a? A is, like, look at this. I'll focus on a. So k is 0, 0 plus 1. So it is 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 dot 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 n. So don't you think that this, sorry, this was d. Okay, this is a. So don't you think that this is sum of n natural number? So n into n plus 1 by 2. So we got value of a and we got value of d. Correct? Now we have to find out value of c and b. So you will observe that the number k, the number is written in the numerator. This means you have to go with differentiation. Correct? So let's do the differentiation of this function. So it is n times 1 plus x power n minus 1. This will become 0, and you will be having nc1 plus 2 times nc2x plus 3 times nc3x square plus 4 times nc4 x cube plus 5 times nc 5 x power 4 dot dot dot. Correct? Now look at this part. If you'll observe, it is following the same concept. nc0 0, nc1 1, nc2 2, nc3 3, nc4 4, means we have only problem with x. So what we have to do? Put x equals to 1. Okay, so we will have n times 2 power n minus 1, and we got the value of c. Correct? So n times 2 power n minus 1. So this will become the value of c. Correct or wrong? है ना? So we got value of c as well. Now the point is we have to get value of d. So who is d? D nahi, b. So if you'll observe, the numbers are squares. Okay, so you have handled this situation previously as well. Means if you will differentiate right now, you will have coefficient as 2, not 3, but we want 3. So what we will do? We will multiply both side by x. So multiply by x. So it will look like this. Now do the differentiation. So what will happen? We will keep nx as it is and then differentiate n minus 1, 1 plus x power n minus 1, plus we will keep n 1 plus x power n minus 1, and then differentiation of x will become 1, and then you will be having nc1 plus 2 square nc2x plus 3 square nc3 x square, and so on. And it is similar situation. Now what we will do? Put x equals to 1. So what will happen? We will have n minus 1, 2 power n minus 1 plus n, wait, here it will be 2. Okay, and then n 2 power n minus 1. This is your b. Okay, so let's do the simplification for b. So we will have 2 power n minus 2 into n common. Correct? So from here we will be having 2, and from this part we will be having plus n minus 1. So the thing is 2 power n minus 2 into n plus 1. Okay, so I hope that you got your ABCD. Now just write down ABCD. So who is your A? A is n into n plus 1 by 2. Who is your B? 2 power n minus 2 n times n plus 1. Okay. Now who is C? Where is C? Yes, C. So it is n times 2 power n minus 1. And then who is D? 4 power n. Correct? So this thing, determinant of this thing, they are saying it will come out to be 0. Okay, so let's simplify things. Let's find out the determinant. So it is this minus this. Okay, so look at this, n square plus n into 2 power 2n by 2 minus n square 2 power n minus 2 plus n minus 1, n square is done, and then n plus 1 equals to 0. We will do little bit of more simplification. So it is n square n, and then 2 power 2n minus 2. Okay, no, 1, that was correct. Okay, minus n cube plus n square. No need, there was no need to do that, but still okay. So 2n minus 3 equals to 0. Correct? So I will take something common. So from here what you have to do, you have to take n common. Okay, so it will look like this. So take n common. So nahi, n square plus n common, and then 2 power 2n minus 3 common. So from here what we'll have? We will have 2 power 2. Okay, minus, here we will have what? Here we will have only n. Correct? Is equal to 0. Now, do you think this can be 0 for natural number? No, it is not possible. Do you think this can be the 0? No, it is not possible. So the all responsibility is on this person. This makes n to take value 4. So with this much of effort, we got value of n as 4. Now we have to simplify this thing. So the question is summation k starts from 0 to 4. What was that? 4ck. Okay, so it is 4ck upon k plus 1. Now look at this. If you will expand, what will happen? 4c0 1, 4c1 2, 4c2 3, 4c3 4, 4c4 5. Look at this. This is, the numbers are on the denominator, correct? So you know that you have to take help of integration. Also the like look at this component. This component will have x power 4, and if you integrate x power 4, you will have x power 5 by 5. So it is okay, means it is direct integration of 1 plus x power 4. So it is 4c0 4c1x 4c2x square dot 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 4c4 x power 4. Let's do the integration. 1 plus x power 5 by 5, 4c0 x 4c1 x square by 2, 4c2 x cube by 3 dot 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 4c4 x power 5 by 5 along with integration constant. Now you know that for integration constant, for c, put x equals to 0. So if you'll put x equals to 0, we will get value of c as 1 by 5, correct? Now we have to find out the value of this question. So what is the value of this part? So for that, put x equals to 1, done. So it is 2 power 5 by 5 is equal to 4c0, 4c1 by 2, 4c2 by 3 dot 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 4c4 by 5, and then c. So who is c? 1 by 5. So send this 1 by 5 to this side. So required value will be 2 power 5 by 2, sorry, it is 5 minus 1 by 5. So you know that 2 power 5 is 32, 32 minus 1 is 31 by 5. So the value of the whole thing, the required part is 31 by 5. I hope you got the idea and you can handle similar situations. Okay.